Hey guys, Nike is definitely twisting up a little bit. They're making this release a little bit more interesting, making it a little bit more chaotic than it needs to be. First, the shock drop. Now we have another chance getting these things early, but it's with a crazy twist I've never seen before. So we gotta talk about it in today's video, man. Let's get right into it. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video, man. It is greatly appreciated, man. Every time you guys come through, come chop it up with your boy DeVintage. And I feel like the other video we dropped with the military blues versus the bread for Reimagine was the most engaged, for the most comments I've ever got on a video. So I do want to say thank you guys so much. So we're gonna keep it going on this one. You guys keep those likes up. Y'all keep that engagement going down below in the comment section. That'd be greatly appreciated, man. If you are new here, bro, if you're new, you feeling the vibes already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content we do drop over in the channel. Always trying to help you guys out. Early looks, information about shop drops, restocks, all that good stuff, man. So don't miss out. Hit the notification bell ASAP Rock. You know we can't get any further. But let me ask you guys, man, to hit that like button, bro. What you doing, man? If you ain't hit it already, hit that like button ASAP Rocky, man. All right, like I said, bro, we have them here. The Air Jordan 4 military blues. And like I said, bro, we have another opportunity to get these on the Nike sneakers app, but this one was with a twist. It is an exclusive access, but the way they marketing it is like, it's almost like the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found exclusive access they did a couple of years ago, where they said you got to take this amount of L's on this particular sneaker in order to get that exclusive access. So we're gonna check it over real quick. I'm gonna put a screenshot up here so you guys can check it out. But yes, there will be exclusive access this Thursday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and for, you know, a select few Nike members to get these things early. And of course, you guys know it's not guaranteed and stuff like that. You got to be quick. But let's go ahead and read the details over on the Nike Sneakers app. This is how they put it out. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so it says launch details. This is to prioritize our most loyal Air Jordan 4 members. I'm like, okay, how you know who the most loyal is? It can be bots, it can be somebody just getting it for resale. You know, that's just one part of it. I'm probably sound like I'm playing it, but it says the Air Jordan 4 Industrial Blue will be released via exclusive access on the Nike Sneakers app, and it has all the details down below. And it says the exclusive access will provide a limited number of sneaker members the opportunity to purchase the Air Jordan 4 Industrial Blues, hence who we have right here, in order to reward our most loyal Air Jordan 4 members. Only members who meet both the following criteria will be eligible for selection. This was crazy. This was really crazy right here. It said you had to at least taken 2 L's on Air Jordan 4s from January 1st, 2023 all the way to March 1st, 2024. I'm like, bro, how are they your most loyal people if they never even got to shoot? They just entered for them, but they took an L. So that's how you deem someone most loyal to the Air Jordan 4 model. That don't sound crazy to y'all? Do that not sound crazy as far as getting exclusive access on these industrial blues? It cannot just be me, bro. It can't just be me. And it also says, you know, get a little bit more juicy in the store. It says, however, not every member who meets the criteria will be necessarily selected. So you can have taken 10 L's from January 1st, 2023 to March 1st, 2024, and you still might not get that exclusive access, because there's a lot of people that take L's on Air Jordan 4s, especially if it's a highly wanted sneaker. It's a hyped up sneaker. Thunders, Red Thunders, all types of 4s we've gotten in the last couple of years. And of course, people have taken mad L's on Air Jordan 4s within the last 2 years, man. So I don't know. You guys let me know in the comment section how you feeling about it. Nike trying to do different things, but it almost makes people a little bit more salty, because when you know you met the criteria for something and you don't get selected, almost like Isaiah Thomas, you know what I'm saying, the time he didn't get selected for the Dream Team.
I don't know what went into that process. I met the criteria to be selected, but I wasn't.
No, man, I'm just playing, man. I'm just joking. But it kind of does feel the same way. The Air Jordan 4s, like I said, man, exclusive access this upcoming Thursday. Let me make sure I got the time right. Yeah, so Thursday, April 25th, and I believe it's at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if I got the time wrong, put it down below in the comment section pin. But bro, these things is cold. And you guys spoken. You guys have spoken. Y'all said the bread for Reimagines are way better. I'm talking about the votes for these versus the bread Reimagines. The bread 4s have demolished these as far as the poll goes. But still, man, look at them. It's still a beautiful pair of Air Jordan 4s. So first we got the shock drop out of nowhere. They moved the release date back up to May the 4th, and now we're getting that exclusive access about a week before the drop. It all makes sense. We all said the same thing. We know how things go, but it is kind of, you know, funny to see how they try to switch things up too much like this right here. You had to take a certain amount of L's for Air Jordan 4s, loyal Air Jordan 4 member, all types of shenanigans, you know what I'm saying? I'm just calling it shenanigans because we ain't gonna curse over here. We definitely rated PG-13 over here on the channel. But if you guys have not secured these Original 4 military blues, industrial blues yet, man, please let me know down in the comment section. And if you are super interested in getting this exclusive access, let me know. I know there's still some people out there do not got a pair that I really want a pair. And I'm telling y'all, bro, in the hand, they are a lot better than you think. The quality, that's another issue, which we're going to talk about in another video. But today, man, I just want to focus on you guys, let you know exclusive access this upcoming Thursday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And don't sleep, don't miss out. I know some people out there like, I know I ain't getting it, so I ain't going to check. That'll be the same people that actually do get the exclusive access, man. So do not sleep on what Nike is trying to do. A little bit innovative, a little bit creative with how they are giving out this exclusive access, if I'm being honest. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. Subscribe right now, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please give a huge like before you slide out today's video, especially if I drop some good info, some good gems for you guys in today's video, man. I love y'all, appreciate all the support. All's been said, man, your boy DeVintage is gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.